Hi, this is Sean O'Haron with MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler superstore. Today, I'm going to walk you through this amazing 350 Realm. It's got a lot to offer, from fishing to family features to overnighting. So much to show you. Let's start out here. Portside dive door, beautiful access for snorkeling, diving, water sports. Also bringing in that big catch. Coming around here, we've got underwater lights coming out from the side. Same on the other side, also in the stern. So beautiful lighting up at night. See all those little bait fish in the water. Here we got the Mercury 300 horsepower V8 naturally aspirated engine. A lot of torque. 3 of these engines get you up and running. It's got the beautiful white motor cowling for the Florida sun. All 3 engines, you got a single flush to flush all 3 engines, fresh water when you're done using the boat. Makes it simple so you don't have to connect up to each engine individually. Let's go aboard and let me show you some of the other features in the cockpit. Once aboard, if you're coming out of the water from the swim ladder, you got a nice freshwater shower here. Rinse off, get all that salt off. Coming over here, you got a nice area storage for that dive ladder for the dive door there. And just a nice pull, and you got a beautiful long bench here. Fit a lot of people, very comfortable. Also a table that goes right in this area, stored right underneath here. Great storage space for that teak table. Easy access to your generators, strainers, and everything down here. Nicely finished off. Facing forward now in the cockpit, you got a beautiful little wet bar entertaining area. Starting out with the grill, nice top there. Easy to clean. Nice tin foil underneath. You can take that, replace it easily. Under here, you got nice storage for all your utensils. Coming over here, you got a nice big cooler. Lots of space in here. Quick, easy access that way. And these two will flip the whole thing up to really change out the ice and everything. This bench is faced forward for underway. And then when you want to entertain, you can bring it that way with a nice step-up footrest. Let's move forward into the helm area. In the cockpit, you can see we got nice seating for a lot of people underway. We got the dual captain chair here with bolsters, so you can sit or stand. You got the nice passenger seat back there. They have air conditioning vents, along with the helm has air conditioning vents. So this whole area is air conditioned. You can also enclose it. You can see the zippers here for the enclosure that goes around here. Over here, we got the sink, the extension of the wet bar from the cockpit. Right behind my legs, beautiful stereo system. We got a subwoofer, extra speakers. Also convenient for the guests, a fridge. Get a nice cool beverage and not have to go down in the cabin. This boat is joystick controlled for docking. Just a press of the joystick any direction you want. You're going to be an expert captain in no time. Press of a button for Skyhook keeps you positioned while you're waiting for a dock or a bridge or anything. Nice Raymarine electronics right here. Moving across the panel, one of the switches here is for the Sure Shade. That Sure Shade covers that whole aft deck on a hot day like today. Makes it nice and cool. Also, this boat has a Seakeeper in it. That's going to keep the boat stable underway with that gyro system. Moving down into the nice air-conditioned cabin, you got plenty of seating during the day. You can put the filler cushion in and overnight. Nice TV, nice blue lighting for that ambiance. Nice wood floor. Plenty of room to overnight or just relax. To port, you have a nice wide walkway, also tall with a grab rail, so it's easy to traverse here in any conditions. Coming forward, you see we're in the lounge position right now. That filler cushion can come off. That teak table can be raised for a nice dining area. You got 3 nice loungers with armrests that go down. Those armrests have cup holders in them. Got a nice stereo system continuing on to the bow with a sub and 2 more speakers, and also remote to starboard so you can change the channel or the volume, anything you need. Thank you for taking the time to walk through this amazing Boston Whaler 350 Realm with me today. If you'd like to know more about this boat or any of our yachts, give me a call. Sean O'Haron, MarineMax, Pompano Beach.